Alright, so we at ConsumerDirect back here. Oh, you show it that way. Great. We had to come visit SmartCredit real quick. We brought the Maybach. Or is it Maybach?
Maybach.
I've heard that it's Maybach. I wouldn't know because I don't have a Maybach.
Ask Teji. Maybach.
2 hours later.
That's how you know we don't say it correctly. But it's Maybach. Alright, so we brought Wolfie out here. He's gonna make a special appearance, and not yet.
He's in there right now.
But first, we gotta get fitted. Dior. All the stores. Or whatever Pop Smoke said.
Why are you the only one that don't have shoes on?
Who? Him?
You?
What do you mean?
Everybody else got the shoes already. Why didn't you have them on?
I brought multiple pairs. I brought these. I brought the Forces because you always gotta bring the Forces. Forces are mandatory.
Look at that guy.
Many hours later.
There we go. We're fitted. Just like that.
Rich guy.
Do we need anything else?
My fate too.
I'll take this. Has batteries. This has batteries in it, so we'll take this. Here you go. Or I'll hold it right now. Or,
You take anything else?
no, you don't take it. You don't hold this one. I have my phone's wallet. Oh, hit it. Press it.
Oh yeah. It opens.
Wasn't too crazy. I'm Sabrina. So it might be best to move it into this spot here. That way they don't come and chalk the tire.
And then I'll bring you guys back to the team in the studio.
Okay,
Awesome.
cool.
Good.
Sounds good.
See you later, or you want to come with us?
I'll come with.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so right here we have our front desk. You met Hamid and Rita is somewhere. They are our day-to-day operation support, and you know we keep the place running nice and smooth. And right here is going to be our kind of reception and main lobby area. He loves TV, so that TV right there is actually 4 massive TVs like blended together. Isn't it like so seamless? I love that.
Can't even tell.
Yeah, you can't even tell. It was actually, this whole space was a sports chalet in its past life, and it stayed empty for quite a bit.
We thought about playing the video of you in the wolf costume dancing on the screen.
Yeah, she's right there. I'm sure you guys are going to be very well. She is a bundle of joy that we love so much.
What's up, guys?
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you. Question. Do you guys like fun things?
Of course.
Okay. Well, listen.
Is that the right answer?
Listen. I'm gonna.
Wait, what's that? Oh,
It's nice meeting you.
we have a product team, like kind of in the middle. We also are aiming to expand the office, but you know, something for our owl. Workshop, collaboration. We also have our SmartCredit conference coming up in September. So, you know, we're going to utilize the space to the best of our ability, along with the rest of the office.
Well, mostly me over the and we have all these like different seasonings, so people get really creative. Like they'll do caramel with bacon.
No, isn't the back support like fantastic?
You guys can keep walking.
Yeah. I know they play compliant, which is the highest level of data security, so we're really, really proud of that. And up here is our God spot.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Steve.
Yeah, you guys keep going if you are. Steve Rigger.
Everett, nice to meet you.
Everett, yes.
Yeah.
to all aspects, to our customers, to our partners, to our internal team. So this is kind of a representation of stuff. So we're gonna have new tables coming in soon. I'm not sure when, but yeah, I love this table.
I didn't even know that was possible.
Yeah.
And then over here, we have like a Yele, I think they're called. Pretty fancy machine. If you want me to make you a coffee, I am very happy to do so. Super cool machine, and we have like a bunch of beans here and a ton in Dave's office as well.
That's super cool.
Yeah.
Fancy machine with an espresso.
Oh, yeah, it's really cool. You can like fill in the beans and.
Is that average? Yo, look. What? Dior.
Oh no, you guys gotta come inside. Oh my god. Actually get something made where it's like flip a birdie, and then depending on how I feel I could just change the sign, right? Yeah, okay. I like your ideas.
This is Steve's prank over here.
We also recently filmed a Saratoga water video because Ray's always coming in with the glass.
Oh,
nice.
Some sort of like plant creature.
Right. That's so.
Yeah. David's super creative and he loves his inside jokes.
That's really
Yeah, this is Emily's office and she'll be at CreditCon and yeah.
awesome.
Miriam just finished her meeting. She'd like to meet you guys.
Esme,
Nice to
Carmen.
meet you. Welcome, guys. Welcome.
No, it's
No, for real.
Really?
For that thing. For real.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh.
Standing
Picture.
desk? Okay. I wanted to put that photo on the big screen, but if you guys ever call in or email in with any like client questions or client account questions, it's usually like Elijah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
And then we have some hot sauces here because we don't really have any in the kitchen. So last year on our old floor plan, Ryan, he actually on his desk had like just a bunch of hot sauce bottles like laid out, and for lunch every day people would come and like grab one and put it in their lunches. Yeah.
Teji.
Yeah, we got a face.
And you put it down, and then you'll slide this bar down. If it'll work for me. And then you just pick a bean. I usually just do type B. I don't know what. Yep, so it's gonna like heat up the milk, dispense it, and then ground the coffees like fresh. And then make the coffee. Ground it, and then it did the milk first, and then it's doing the coffee.
Did you get the steps, sis? Because I didn't watch any of that, so you got it right.
Let's see.
Okay.
We're gonna put this cup right here. Okay.
Okay. Okay, what do you do now?
Oh,
You
okay,
need
you
to,
gotta throw
dump
that.
it, but-
Vlogging. Boss. This is going. Ludhiana.
ਕਿਉਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ ਕੋਡ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਈ ਲੇਟ ਪੇਮੈਂਟ ਕਲੈਕਟ ਸਮਾਰਟ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ ਤੇ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਐਕਸੈਸ ਮਿਲੇ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਆਈਟਮ ਆ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇਸੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਔਰ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ because I want to be like credit for ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ no ਤਾਂ ਚੀਪਰ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੋਰੀਆਨਾ ਯੂਨੀਅਨ ਤੋਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਹਿੰਗੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਲੋਰੀਆਨਾ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਕਸੈਸ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 3 ਲੋਰੀਆਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਇੱਕ ਫਾਈਲ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਲੋਰੀਆਨਾ ਟਰੈਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਕੋਰ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ
You gotta send it to him.
Accessible or accessible?
Accessible.
Huh?
Accessible.
Say, how were you saying it? Accessible? Accessible. Accessible?
Yeah.
Accessible. Okay, got it.
Ludhiana doesn't know how to say accessible. I don't know. Queda mundial Ludhiana. Ludhiana. Ludhiana.
We're taking this everywhere, bro. These batteries do not die.
I charge them.
It's not like he's changing the battery. That's cool.
Okay, dig my card.
Give me my frozen horchata back. This thing is amazing.
Oh yeah. Last time we did it here.
You want me to?
Because of the light.
All right, so that's a wrap on our Smart Credit headquarters visit. Thoughts?
Yeah. You know, it was great. Smart Credit are great people, great hosts. Ate a lot of good food. That's all I was here for.
Great environment. Can't wait to work with them more.
It was pretty cool.
This is the lowest
Thank you.
energy. Redo this.
Just missed the Wolfie.
No, we got to keep it organic, you know?
Alright.
So they're going to watch this and they're going to judge you based off your energy.
This place was great. Nah, Smart Credit's amazing. It's amazing. ConsumerDirect, direct to the consumer.
Yeah, honestly, it was a great visit. So, honestly, office at HQ, crazy.
Coffee was
Crazy, yeah.
immaculate.
I love the atmosphere.
Yeah, so definitely opens up your eyes to seeing what's possible. So, truly appreciate Smart Credit for having us, being such great hosts, working with them and everything. And we're going to be back for the grand opening, which is going to be next month. So, we'll be back for that. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next Mesa Group Journey vlogs as we try to do this a little bit more often.
Wolfie!
I don't know, man. We're just going to wing it, you know?